Hi, I'm Bill, here with Carvesmart Vise Jaw System at IMTS 2022 at the CURT booth. Going to show you the system and how it's integrated into the CURT double station vise. Okay, let me show you some of the unique features to the Carvesmart system. First is the patented differential screw that locks down on the dovetail of the jaw. Others may use cap screws. There's more clearance in cap screws. We have a thread on the top and the bottom, and when that clamps down, the 60-degree thread pulls the nut in alignment to make contact with the dovetail. Cap screwed nuts, they tip backwards. So that's the first unique feature. The other is we use extruded material. We sell it up to 94 inches in length. Putting a simple dowel pin in it makes it relocate. When it goes into the jaw, it just goes in and snaps in and then locks down tight and secure. Well, the reason that we integrated the Carvesmart system into the vise is traditionally they would buy the vise and then bolt on our master jaw, and this works fine, but the problem is that you lose 3/4 of an inch on each side or 1.5 inches of opening capacity. So by integrating it directly in there, you get that capacity. You also, when we bolt these master jaws into the vise, we lose the 1/2-13 threads. Whereas now, when we integrate it in, we can keep the 1/2-13 threads so you can bolt on any other jaw plates that you had that you don't want to discard. Let me show you how quick it is to change a jaw from a hard jaw to a soft jaw. Loosen the nuts, the clamp nuts, this, pull the jaw out. You see the Smart Stop relocation pin. Soft jaw, slides right in there, clamps down, and that's how quick it is. There's no cap screws from the inside. You don't have to open it up all the way. You don't have to get your fingers in there. It's all from the top and secure. Okay, let me show you the 3 ways that you can use this vise. First, double station vise. You'd put your parts in here, get it located so there's a little bit of room in the back. You tighten up the third hand, what we call the third hand, so that the first part locks up, the second one doesn't, and then you lock down the second one. So you can see that the back jaw is going independently. So that's a double station version of this vise. You can go small parts in the front, big in the back, either way, to use up the travel of the vise. Secondly, as a single station vise, we take the parts out here, we'd unlock the third hand, pull this up to back up the center jaw, tighten this up, and now what you have is a single station vise that opens up to almost 5 inches. It has a right hand, left hand screw, so it has opposing force, so we're not pushing the back jaw back, and we use it up close to the operator. Third, we would want to, if we exceed 5 inches, we're going to loosen up the third hand here in the back. We're going to unscrew these locating screws, pull them out, take this jaw out, move this back to align to the back locating holes. We just pull those in till they drop in. We'd screw these down tight, and now you have a large capacity single station that you can put your part right on the bed of the vise. Opens up to, without the jaw plates, over 12 inches, with them just over 11 inches. And then the last really cool feature of this vise is you'd pull these out, take these jaws out, which snap right in. Also, we're above the vise with how we're pulling in to reduce jaw lift. If you're pushing below the vise bed, you're going to get more jaw lift, and that's what we have. That's unique as well. But this feature to pull the whole screw assembly out and clean the vise is really cool because, as you know, the vices get plugged up with chips. Also, the vise is a lot lighter and easier to put on your machine when it's disassembled, so you can build the vise on your table, your machine. Thank you for letting me demo this vise for you. Coming soon to production. And if you're at IMTS, we're at booth 432433. I'll give you a demonstration personally. Thank you.